Welcome to our project IoT based coal mine monitoring and awareness system. I am Sheikh Abdul Alim and I will be presenting our project through this video. First of all, let's check out our 3D model. This part was done by Rafia Tabassum Khan. In our model, you can see we have a power supply. For microcontroller, we have used Arduino Uno. For sensing gases, we have used MQ2 and MQ9 gas sensor. For sensing humidity and temperature, we have used a DHT11 sensor. And for giving us outputs, we have an 16 by 2 LCD display and a buzzer. We have shown you our 3D model in different perspectives. Now moving on to our project design and the coding part. This is the circuit design of our project. This part and the coding part is done by Gule Jannat Spriha and me. First of all, we can see we have MQ2 and MQ9 gas sensors. Also, we have the DHT11 humidity sensor that senses humidity and temperature. For outputs, we have an LCD display, a buzzer, and here we have our virtual terminal. We are going to now simulate this. Before simulating our setup, there are a few things that we have to keep in mind. If these gas sensors senses any toxic gases or smoke from fire, it would instantly trigger the buzzer. And in the LCD, we would see some message like smoke detected, or maybe if we are detecting methane gas, which is very toxic, we will see message like methane detected. In our DHT11 sensor, if the humidity is higher than 75, we would see a message like humidity high. When our temperature is greater than 25 degrees Celsius, we will see message like temperature high, and we can see the exact humidity percentage and the temperature in our virtual terminal. So initially, let's set up everything to low. We are setting our humidity to be less than 75 and our temperature to be less than 25. And also in the gas sensor, we are not detecting any gases. So let's simulate it. So here we see humidity 73% and it says, the LCD display says humidity low. The temperature 23 degrees Celsius, temperature low. Now let's sense some gases, if I may say. This should trigger the buzzer as well. See, smoke and methane detected. Now if we increase our temperature to be greater than 25 and our humidity to be greater than 75, we will get a different kind of output. Now moving on to our coding part. Initially we initialize the pins that we have used for our devices or sensors. Like by gas 1 we are initializing now our MQ2 sensor to pin number 9. Gas 2 is connected to pin number 8. Gas 2 is MQ9 gas sensor, and buzzer is connected to pin number 6. If we get any humidity that's greater than 75%, we show the message humidity high in our LCD display, and the humidity percentage is shown in our virtual terminal. And as it's a high humidity, the buzzer would go off and it would warn our workers. Same goes for the temperature part as well. If the temperature is greater than 25%, we would show a message like temperature high in our LCD display and the temperature value in our virtual terminal. If we detect any smoke from fire or toxic methane gas, we would show a message like smoke and methane detected, run, and the buzzer would go off as well. Same goes for if any toxic gas is detected. So that's all from our part. Thanks for bearing with us.